Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, January 9th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I thought I'd do my next product review video on the essential aminos. Alright, this is something, again, I've been taking these products that I'm reviewing since December 28th, and I'm loving every single one of them. Before I show you this, I'm just going to click back. Alright, this is the essential aminos right here, and it says support muscle strength and function, boost stamina and recovery, promote energy and focus. And I'm just going to read you the label, what's in it. Okay, so again, this is there's 30 servings per container in this. You get 30 milligrams of magnesium, 100 milligrams of sodium, 100 milligrams of potassium, and then there's a proprietary amino acids blend, which is 7,802 milligrams. All right, and that includes all of these amino acids that you see here. Okay. The other ingredients are natural flavor, citric acid, sodium bicarbonate, and stevia leaf extract. This comes in a fruit punch flavor and lemon lime. And I got the fruit punch flavor, and I absolutely love the taste of it. It tastes really good. All I do with this is I put it into, this is not it, this is actually the Super Reds I'm drinking now, but I just put it into a little mason jar. I stir it up. Again, I use distilled water or spring water. I do not use tap water when using any products like this, okay? So that's all I do. I stir it up and I drink it, and then I'm good to go. But this is the description. The ultimate fuel for your body. When it comes to peak performance, nothing works like LiveGood's essential aminos. Our exclusive formula gives you an optimized ratio of all essential amino acids, branched-chain amino acids, and electrolytes to support muscle strength and function, to help maintain lean muscle mass, to boost stamina and recovery, and to promote healthy energy and focus. It says healthy energy anytime. LiveGood's essential aminos are formulated with the highest quality natural ingredients available anywhere. So whether it's first thing in the morning, before you hit the gym, or to conquer the afternoon fatigue, essential aminos are safe to take anytime, any place, and get results. This product's gluten-free, sugar-free, no caffeine, non-GMO, and vegan. All right, I just want to see if it says anything else on here that I haven't covered. But I guess that's pretty much it. And what I do, my morning routine is kind of like this. I wake up, I jump on the rebounder for 30 minutes, and then I come upstairs, I make some orange juice, all right? I have an orange juice juicer, and I make my own orange juice. I drink a glass of that, and then I start in with the organic LiveGood coffee. I'll have a cup of that, and then right around noontime or so, I will drink the essential aminos. All right, sometimes it's later in the afternoon, but it's usually right around lunchtime. And then I will eat some fruit, and then I'll have the Super Reds and then the Super Greens. All right, and I mean, you can really do this however you want to. There's no rule book for it. That's just what I've been doing, and I feel really good. Full of energy, like I said. Sometimes my wife has to tell me to settle down. I get so pumped up. But, I mean, on top of being excited about LiveGood and this whole opportunity, and then taking these products, it's just, I mean, there's nothing, it's just super exciting all around, okay? So if you come down here and look, if you're a member of LiveGood, you're going to pay $19.95 for a 30-day supply of the aminos, and you can see the competitor prices here. This is Zymogen, it's $42.17, and then Keon Aminos is $49.95. Right, and there's other ones out there too that are in this price range here, but so you're getting it for up to 60% off, in some cases even more probably. If you're not a member, you're going to pay $29.95, which is still cheaper than the other leading brands. Okay, so if you're interested, I'm going to put a link down below that will take you to my store where you can check out all these products and either become a member or buy this for the retail price, okay? If you do join as a member, it's $9.95. We also have a business opportunity where you can go and refer other people. We have a matrix. There's 6 other ways to earn from this company. I've done a video about this as well. Just check it out on my YouTube channel. That is a one-time $40 fee to get your back office here that looks like the screen you're seeing. You get landing pages and all the marketing material that you need for that. We also have a done-for-you follow-up email system that converts like crazy, okay? So you can pay $49.95, become an affiliate and a member, and that $49.95 covers your first month, and then after that it's only $9.95 a month after that. We also have an option you can pay up front for a year and save 20%. All right. So I'll also put the link if you're interested in becoming the business opportunity part of it. You can click on the link down below, and you'll be taken over here to my page that looks like this. This is a 5-minute, 55-second video that you can watch that goes over the company. You learn all about it. And then if you decide it's something right for you, then you can just enter your name, last name, email, and reserve your position. Okay? So that's about it on the products. Oh, I do want to show you right here. This is my enroller tree, and I'm just going to refresh this. Okay, you can see I now have 10 personally enrolled customers and affiliates. So I believe after our cutoff date on Thursday, I'm going to be ranked a silver member, which is awesome because that opens up 2 more levels in the Fast Start commissions and even another level in the matrix. All right. But what I do want to show you here is that this is what I brought in 4 new affiliates this month. But if I go down and click on all and change the view, you're going to see that I have 88 new members on our team and 87 affiliates this month, okay? Which is just absolutely unbelievable. Now, 2 days ago, I made a video, and this number was 65, all right? So in 2 days, this has gone up by 23 members. All right, this company's on fire, folks. So whether you join the opportunity side of this or you just want to use the products, either way, this company is on fire. The products are awesome. Again, I'm drinking the Super Reds right now, and I've been taking these every single day. I'm down 6.7 pounds I lost this past week, which I talked about in my last video, and I will do a video at the end of the month showing you my results, okay? But I'm feeling great. I have a lot of energy, and I'm super pumped up about this. So if you have any questions about any of this, leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. It means a lot to me. And if you find any value, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. All right, it helps me out a lot. And again, I really do appreciate it all. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.